I was recently asked, can I use vegetable oil to season cast iron? And the truth of the matter is, yes, you can use vegetable oil to season cast iron. But, first let's kind of clear this up for just a minute because people have been using vegetable oil for a long time. And your skillet, it doesn't care. I mean, it's not going to explode or blow up. And it's not wrong if you do use vegetable oil to season your cast iron with. Cast iron itself really doesn't care, what type of oil you use. It's not picky. We're the picky ones about what we choose. Really, what all cast iron really needs is a thin layer of oil, enough heat, and enough time in the oven to bake it onto the cast iron. And this is called polymerization. And so when the oil bakes onto the cast iron, we actually have a thin layer or film over it that's called a polymer, and that's actually what gives you the coating to help protect the cast iron. And so, there's a couple other things that come to mind that makes me think if you can use cast iron or if you can use vegetable oil to season cast iron, another thing you need to think about is what's called smoke point. And the smoke point is actually that. It's at the point where when you heat that particular oil to where it begins to smoke, that's the smoke point of that oil, whatever temperature that is. And all oils have a smoke point, and some of them are higher and some of them are lower. And so, in my personal opinion, I think you need to have a higher type smoke point oil to season your cast iron. Now, you don't need to get tripped up on that. I mean, some vegetable oils smoke early, stink up the house, and they break down faster. That's one thing about it. Another thing that I don't like about vegetable oil is health reasons. And for my personal, opinion, I don't use it because vegetable oil is really not that healthy. And I mean, it doesn't mean that you can't use it. It's just there are other options, that you may want to look into. I personally use some animal fats like bacon grease, lard, beef tallow is one of my favorite, but I also use some other oils like avocado oil, which is a very high smoke point oil. It's like 520 degrees, and grapeseed oil. So you have other options here other than vegetable oil. But the real mistake I think that people make when considering an oil is, it's not so much the choice of oil as it is a matter of how much you put on it. And the big problem is when you put too much oil on a cast iron skillet and try to bake that on there, what it does, it gums up. And I mean, if you were to even bake it where it turned hard, it would begin to flake later on, flake off chunks of flakes would come off of your cast iron, possibly even into your food that you're cooking. So, too much oil is probably the biggest problem other than the choice. And like I said, you can definitely use vegetable oil if you want to. That's your choice. That's your decision. There are better options in my opinion. And so just to sum this up, if vegetable oil is all you got, use it, but just apply a thin layer and heat it properly. Heat it up until it bakes onto your cast iron real good. People put way too much oil on there and then they think they've ruined their cast iron, and you've not ruined it. You've got to work on it to get it cleaned up and cleared up to where it's not gummy and it's not sticky and it's not flaking off into your food. So anyway, we appreciate the question. That's a great question. Can I use vegetable oil to season cast iron? And the answer to that is yes, you can. You guys have a great day. Now, it's Mike over here at Mr. Cast Iron. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.